The descendants of Fusengbuwa ruling house, Ijebu Ode, have been assured of Ijebu Ode local government and state government support of free and fair process in choosing new Awujale that will emerge from the ruling house. The executive chairman of Ijebu Ode local government, Honorable Dare Alibioshu, gave the assurance while receiving an audience delegation from the Fusengbuwa ruling house in his Itoro office. Anthony Gandono complete the report.
Led by the Olori Ebi Otunba Abdulateef Owoyemi, the delegation, which included royal fathers, were received by the Vice Chairman, Honorable Titilayo Adeyemi, while the Executive Chairman, Honorable Dare Alibioshu, joined the meeting via Zoom. The Olori Ebi Otunba Abdulateef Owoyemi, in his address, said the visit, among other things, is to recognize the position of the Council Chairman as an important stakeholder in the orderly succession process of the new Awujale of Ijebu land. Otunba Owoyemi, who used the opportunity to intimate Honorable Alibioshu on the division among the Fusengbuwa ruling house in the past, presented to the chairman the memorandum of understanding signed between his group and Tunwase group to become one.
Today I have the honor of presenting to you a copy of the memorandum of understanding that brought Ijebu ruling house and initial and foundation of Fusengbuwa ruling house together into one unit. Thank you very much, sir.
The Olori Ebi, however, made a passionate appeal to the chairman concerning the other three ruling houses in Ijebu land.
We will also appeal to you to please convene an urgent meeting with the leaders of the three other Awujale ruling houses, Fusengbuwa, Fusengbuwa, and Anikelaya, and request them to please leave us in Fusengbuwa ruling house alone to resolve our differences ourselves. And they should please not continue to find the embers of discord or promote the diabolical efforts being made to destabilize our ruling house by deliberately pouring fuel on the fire lit by a dissident unit, trying to undermine and destroy the entire family.
Responding, the executive chairman, Honorable Dare Alibioshu, assured the Fusengbuwa ruling house his support to maintain peace, law and order before and after emergence of the new Awujale.
I want to tell you that government is on top of everything, and that's not going to happen. This is not a banana republic, and that's never going to happen. That's a good one. I'm going to give this report to the government, and I'm not sure that is not going to happen in Ogun State. So.
He reiterated both his government and Ogun State government's efforts to work hand in glove with Fusengbuwa ruling house to ensure seamless process in selection of new Awujale very soon. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.